We begin tonight with day 6 of the government shutdown. Congressional Republicans and Democrats still at a political stalemate. And tonight we're taking a closer look at possible ways that this impasse could impact you at home. Now, the Senate has tried and failed several times to pass a short-term bill to reopen the government with no luck. Democrats say they won't fund the government until Republicans agree to reverse Medicaid cuts and extend expiring Obamacare subsidies. So today, Congressman Tim Kennedy joined local health care providers calling on congressional Republicans to cancel the cuts and end the government shutdown. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley giving a voice to those who are highlighting the real-life impacts this shutdown is having on patients and health care providers alike.
Congress needs to stop families from being pushed over the health care premium cliff.
Democratic Congressman Tim Kennedy appeared outside the Matina Neighborhood Health Center on Buffalo's west side with other government leaders and health care providers, saying cuts of more than $1 trillion to Medicaid, Medicare, and the Affordable Care Act will be devastating to the thousands who rely on these programs.
Preventative care at community facilities like neighborhood housing services that we stand in front of today are going to be forced off of their health insurance, back into the emergency rooms to get their care. And what happens? Everyone pays for it.
The Matina Neighborhood Health Center is bracing for the impact. Iris Rosa of Buffalo now depends on the Center for Health Care for her family, and the uncertainty is overwhelming.
I'm just trying to figure out, what to do to make sure that, my kids are being taken care of. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make sure I do what I have to do to make sure my daughter's okay.
The leader of the Matina Health Center says they're creating a contingency plan to continue to offer services if these cuts are not stopped.
We're here. We're going to keep seeing the patients. We're not going to get paid for many more of those visits, and that makes us all worry how we will survive to care for the entire community.
But last week, Republican Congressman Nick Langworthy appeared in Western New York, saying it was the Democrats who created the Affordable Care Act tax credits as temporary.
I do think that we have to find an off-ramp on how to get off of these subsidies that were there as emergency COVID-era spending. I mean, I can't stress that enough. This was created for an emergency.
And late Monday afternoon, I received a statement from Langworthy saying in part, the only press conference House Democrats should be holding is imploring Senator Schumer to come to his senses and stop holding the American people hostage. Along with the many residents that are treated here at this West Side Center, 200,000 across the state stand to lose their health care under these cuts. In Buffalo, Eileen Buckley, 7 News.